Oops. Hello you, and welcome back to my channel. I'll be doing another unboxing. Surprise! Let's start with this one. Let's see what we have here. Oh cool, they're reusing old boxes and stuff. So, what do we have here? I ended up ordering from Ben's Jungle again because I wanted to order some alternative substrate, such as this, which is Saxim. It's similar to coconut in its quality. I'm very interested in trying this because I can't use coconut. This is another substrate that I've already tried, but this is a bit different. It's lava rocks. It's a very porous material. So I think it's also called pumice. This is very good. I like this stuff a lot. It also weighs the pots down. Another substrate that I bought is bark. This is a nice chunky pine bark. Here we have, can't really see through the back. At one point in time this was see-through, but because it's filled with coal, being naughty, it's gotten all black. But this is also a very good substrate. It holds moisture, it purifies the water, it's chunky so it makes it airy. I believe these are some of the decorations that I ordered for my terrarium. Those with tryptophobia, look away, because this might trigger it. It's a porous lava rock. I'm intending to try and propagate a plant growing from this, on this. This is another decoration for the terrarium. I don't have any animals in there, but I can see this being a nice protective cover nest for a snake or a lizard. But for now it is gonna be surface for terrarium plants to grow on. And a Saxim plate. This is often used as a back covering for terrariums, rainforest terrariums in particular, to have moss grow on it, and I think that's the look that I'm wanting to go for. So I ordered a small piece. This is not cheap, so I ordered a piece to see how it works for me. In addition to those materials, I ordered some plants. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The moss is very dry, so I have to see how the roots fare. Going to look awesome in my terrarium. Hanging on the wall. I can't remember the name of this fern, I'll put it on the screen. What I'm planning for the terrarium is a miniature rainforest. I hope that I can keep this alive. It's still very moist, so that's good. And it looks like it's got its own springtails. Oh, wow. Again, another one for the terrarium. This is a Pothos spa. What is commonly called a Pothos, like a golden Pothos or silver Pothos, those are not in the Pothos genus of plants. This is actually a real Pothos, and I'm gonna have it shingle on the back wall of the terrarium. I absolutely love it. It looks so good. It's gonna look amazing. This was sold as a philodendron spa, so I don't know what exactly it is. So this will be a fun challenge to figure out how to get this to thrive and grow. This, I love it, it's so cute. And soily. This is a churita. It's got a lot of soil on its leaves, and it's got hairy leaves, so the soil just attaches to it. I need to give this a good rinse. This is a relative of the African violet. and I have a special thing with African violets. My grandmother used to grow them, so I've been wanting different species of the same family of plants. It's almost past flowering, but one of the flowers are still intact. That is just absolutely gorgeous. Right, that was Ben's jungle. On to the next box. And this is massive. Whew. What have I done? Well, first, I got leca. Right. This is aloe humilis, and this was one on my aloe wish list. I love the little teeth-like knobs on it, and it's a very healthy specimen. Oh look, another aloe. Wow. Wow. Okay. All right. Okay. This is aloe snowflake. Oh my god. I just got a bit lost in staring at the variegation on this. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And it's got little babies, 2 right there. Next. Snip, snip. This is Begonia listada. Oh wow. It's massive. I am so happy. Oh, it's so fuzzy and beautiful. The neon green stripe in the middle is just striking, and the asymmetrical leaf shape of begonias is something that I'm very drawn to. Speechless, basically. This is massive. It's like, wow. On to the next one. Snip. Oh, this is just a pot. No hole. Have to get my drill. Next. Oh, this is keeping its secrets. Oh. I am a big fan of euphorbias. As you can see, I've got a few here. And this is Euphorbia aeruginosa. It's very prickly, I love that. I'm gonna get so hurt repotting this. I love the color, the very minty green. Next. This is a chlorophytum. The cultivar name is green orange. The stems are bright orange, almost pink, and the leaves are beautiful green, and it's so lush. I just love the size of the plants. Oh, sugar! Again, soil everywhere. This is a Corrodium, and it's a vining plant, and I've seen people with old plants that are huge, like massive, and that is something that I want. There are a few varieties of this, and I've chosen the one that has white flowers. One's just starting to flower there, and it's full of flower buds, so it's going to look amazing as soon as it gets some sun and the buds open. Wow, just so happy with this. This is also one for the terrarium. I just love the colors on it. I hope it comes across on camera. It's a Phytonia, Phytonia skeleton. It's this striking pinkish red and lime green, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Phytonias are a bit fuzzy, but the terrarium is going to be very moist. All the plants in there are going to be rainforest biome loving plants, so I think the Begonia is going to love it there. I think this is finally the last one. Oh, I already see it. This is the one that I was nervous about how it's going to travel, because it's very, very delicate. Oh, this is a Corrodium, aka the ghost tree. It gets its name from the leaves that get silvery and they look almost like they're dead. This is so pretty. I had one and it turned into an actual ghost. It died, so I wanted another one. And I'm going to look after this much better, hopefully, and keep it alive. I'm just dropping soil everywhere. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more content and click on the bell to turn notifications on. Click like if you liked the video and comment what your favourite plant was. I've been Faye in the forest and you've been awesome.